This video today is going to be a Shay Mitchell look, so I'll go ahead and just insert that photo so you know what my inspo was, and let's get started. Alright, I guess here are my brows for right now, just because I'm using a lot of this product and I have somewhere to go tomorrow, so don't want to use it all, you know. Yeah, newsflash, these don't last that long. Alright, so now I'm going to be using the Giorgio Armani cover up, and this is Luminous Silk Foundation in shade 5. So if you guys can hear this song, I can tell that the guitar part or ukulele part is from another song. So if anyone recognizes what the other song is that it's from, please let me know. On my forehead, I had a zit, and then I put on this dry out cream, and it was this giant scab, and I took it off soon. So I'm probably gonna have a mark. So we got our cover up blended. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little contour. Pretty late right now. I woke up late, so I have nothing to do but film this, and yeah, I'm going nowhere, so doing makeup for nothing. Fail. So I put the contour on my cheeks, under my lip, nose, and forehead, and under here. Time to blend. Okay, so I blended the dark part. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my concealer just to fully contour with some light. Okay, now I'm going to blend this. Now it's time to begin on our shadow. So I am, of course, going to use... So she has kind of like a gold base on, so I'm going to use Milani Bold Obsessions. And then I might also throw in a little of this Ulta Beauty. We'll see. I'm going to be using this palette for the whole look, just for my beige. So for my beige look, I'm going to be using the Bear in the Mind, which I tend to use a lot, which is this one. Okay, so I laid out Bear in the Mind from the Milani Bold Obsession as my base. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Ulta Lustrous, it's called Lustrous Foil Eyeshadow, and this is shade Silver Leaf. Okay, so it is very clumpy, so you just have to like pick it up carefully, not too much at a time. Okay, so I laid the silver leaf. Next step is we're gonna do this type of, I guess, like higher crease cut with like a burgundy color. So I'm gonna find the burgundy. The eyeshadow that I'm gonna do for my like upper crease cut is gonna be from this Naked Cherry palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color Devilish, which I do not approve of the name. Okay, so I'm gonna get a Q-tip and kind of just fix under that. Now I'm gonna grab this Naked Heat palette, and I'm just gonna grab this color called On Fuego and kind of just blend this out more with this browner color. Guys, not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared right now, but I have faith that I'll be able to make this look good. Now I'm just gonna get the Bear in the Mind color again, and we're just gonna go on top. I'm gonna add more eyeliner. Actually, I have none on, so I'm going to add some eyeliner, and then we're going to go ahead and try and fix up the eyeshadow because, I don't know, maybe the eyeliner will make it look better. So, okay, so next up for my eyeliner, I'm going to be doing the Maybelline Master Precise All Day. Okay, got our eyeliner on. The corner of the eye also had this color, so I'm just adding that in. So for my next step, I'm doing some mascara, and this is with the Falsies Push-Up Drama. And I forgot to tell you guys, before this, I did put on some Maybelline white liner in the waterline. We're gonna finish off our face makeup, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Naked Cherry palette. I'm just gonna highlight real quick, and I'm gonna grab this fan brush and just grab some of the leftover highlight in there. Okay, so this is my attempt at the makeup. I think it came out pretty good, whatever. Alright everybody, well I know my hair looks like crap, but I'm gonna have this hair mask in all night, so that's me. But thank you for watching my video. This is just a little makeup tutorial for you, and comment if you think it looks good or if you think it looks like shit.